Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today in this video we will be applying for monetization. I have this channel belongs to my wife. We work together. It's only like a cooking channel, Punjabi Khana. I have reached already to the requirements. Like I have about like 1300 subscribers and we have everything ready for monetization. So let's see how we can apply for monetize. So we are on our channel. You can see we have this 1.3k subscribers. From here we're gonna click on our channel logo and we will go to YouTube Studio. From YouTube Studio at the left hand side you can see we have all the options, but we are going to click on monetization. When we click on monetization, it tells you everything. You have about 1310 subscribers and 6500 watch hours. So the requirement is only 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hour. So now it shows me apply now. So I will click on apply now. So here we have to do couple things. Review partner program term. First we have to start this one. You have to just accept, because there's a, you can read, there's a lot of things about the monetization. If you want to announcement, you can leave it link like click, otherwise you can uncheck accept term. So let's wait. You're gonna do something here, then we'll see what happened. So these two things are done. Sign up for Google Adsense already. Get reviewed. YouTube will review your channel to make sure it comply with the YouTube monetization policy. Actually what happened, I was not remember either. I have already Google AdSense account before. They gave me options, so I have a created Google AdSense account. If you have not created any Google AdSense account yet, so what you can do, you just it's just this was shows done, and here it's gonna say start. You have to create Google AdSense account. You have a successfully linked an AdSense account. So basically what happened, me and my wife, we have a couple channels. I have two channels, JK Baljit Johal and JK Punjabi. One channel I post all video in English, another one all video in Punjabi. And this one my wife, she start working on it, and we are posting all the cooking videos on it. So we are not separate, we are together. So we are linked all the YouTube channels on the same Google AdSense account. If you are sharing any information on each other channel, like your address, your email ID or your phone number, then Google AdSense will not let you create any other AdSense account, because they try minimize to be creating multiple accounts. So basically what happened, it will keep spinning you. It will give you option to create an account, but it will not let you create. So you can link 500 YouTube channels to one Google AdSense account. Now I have applied already. We will be wait. It is in progress. So it will take maybe, I don't know how long. Today is February 2. And I applied by 2:29 p.m. Let's see when my application going to be reviewed and done. I will continue after that. So now let's start where we have left last time. Like say we have applied already for monetization, and I got an email, my channel got approved for monetization. So first thing what you will do, you go to your channel and go to YouTube Studio. That's I have it done already. I just want to show you. Go to the contacts here. Then you have your all videos. As you can see, I have a monetization already on. But if you just got approved, it will say off. So what you have to do, you can do and bulk change. Like you can change all. You can start monetizing. Just click on video. That means you select all in one page. Like in my case, I have a 72. I'm gonna choose here. I'm gonna show 50 and each time. So I can make change in 50 videos once. So now we'll click on video and I will say edit. Over here we are going to choose monetization somewhere here. If I choose monetization, and here I can turn on and off. Earlier it shows off because none of video was monetized. Then I will choose on and update video. So what's gonna happen, all 50 videos here will start monetization. So first of all you have to do, your all videos you can monetize. Ad you want to show on your channel, that's up to you. What kind of ad you want to show, that's different story, we're not talking about here now. So if you go to monetization, I have already turned on 2 days before, so we can check on analytic. You will see what I have done. So I can see my earning over here. Now we have to make a Google Adsense account or link our this channel to Google Adsense. So whatever YouTube we making money on YouTube, first we have to transfer to Google Adsense, from Google Adsense to your bank account, because YouTube doesn't pay you straight. It go through the Google Adsense, and Google Adsense you have to add a lot of things. You have to add your income tax, some information, but in my case it doesn't let me make, because it says I have a Google Adsense account already. Here that's the most important part we're talking about. Like say my channel, this channel don't have any Google Adsense account, but so now let's talk about the Google Adsense account. That's the most important part we are going to work on it. So this channel belongs to my wife. She don't have any Google Adsense account. So if you don't have any Google Adsense account, and you can have Google Adsense login with the same username and password you have here on YouTube, because that's your Google account. You can also log in as Google Adsense account, but if you have any other Google Adsense account, it will not let you make. It will say you have already Google Adsense account and you are not able to create any other account. Like here, as you can see, this is my wife's channel, like Punjabi Khana, whatever. It shows me here, you need to fix things, close your other accounts. So I check it. I have not sharing any information, like say what happened, whatever channel my wife have or I have it, we are sharing same house address. So that's the way they know. If you are sharing any information with the two channels, like you're in somebody else's channel, like your phone number, your location, something, they will know you have already Google Adsense account. So what we are going to do, I have a Google Adsense account already for my this channel, and we are going to link this channel to the same Google Adsense account. To link your account, you need a what you call a URL name. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on customization. So here I take you back again, how you get your URL name. So first you click on your channel. So we are on the first page. From here we are going to click on YouTube Studio. From the YouTube Studio, left hand side we have all things. We are going to click on customization. You click on it, you will see this page. You can customize your channel from here, but we are going to click on basic information. There's branding. You want to have a little your channel name or subscribe button on your video all the time, you can do this one. Here you can add branding. I have done already. We are going to click on here basic information. Here you have all your information, your customer description, your URL, the YouTube gave it to you, that's your custom URL. So you can delete your old URL and you can get new, you can add 5 websites, whatever. There's a lot of stuff, but now we are going to link. So I will give you advice. If you are going to link your URL, then use the one YouTube gave it to you, because if you choose the one you have a custom, you made a custom, you link this URL, it will still work, but just in case in the future you change your custom URL, it will be unlinked from your Google Adsense. Now we are going to copy this one. Just click here, you have a copy already. Go back to the Google Adsense account. Here we have a couple things. We have a home, ads. From the ads we are going to click on custom channel. We are going to click here add channel. Here you can put your channel name and save. First we have already added our channel here, and now we go to URL. We are going to add channel. Here we have to paste our channel URL, save. So you have already linked your YouTube channel to the Google AdSense account. Whatever money you're gonna make it's gonna start transferring on your this account. But you have to do one more thing. If you wish, go to the account here. So account access and authorization. So here what happened, I have a 2 channel already. With the 2 emails, I can log in to my Google AdSense account and see my all information. But the channel I have a link right now, if I use that email and password, I will not be able to see this information. To do that one, what we have to do, we have to put that email you have already for your YouTube channel. So for this one, so I have an email account already here. I will do same thing. I will copy and I will paste here. So basically I'm going to give authorized to this email person to log in my YouTube account and have check if want. So once I done here, it says an invitation is sent. So now what we have to do, we have to go to the email. Actually this one I don't have that email, so I have to go to that email account and have to complete access permission. So basically the other email, let's go back again. Like say this email I have it here, this account send invitation to this one. So this guy has to go to his email, his or her email, and accept permission. I can also make admin access, or I can cancel. So now let me go to the email on my cell phone and accept that invitation have been sent. So in my cell phone, I'm gonna record screen here too, just in case. So on my cell phone, I have that email account, and it shows me you have been invited to access Adsense account. So I'm just gonna click here, see what happened. Invitation to access Adsense. So let's see, I'm gonna click here to sign in. Next, I have to put my password. So it says thank you for joining Adsense to log into Adsense. So I'm already accept the invitation. Now we go back to computer screen here. So now I have access already. I have done everything. Now we don't need to do nothing. So later, whatever we are going to make a money here, you can see here in analytics, you will see your real time here. Like say it's 28 days, you can change 365 days. It will tell you how much money you made in year, or 365 days. That's the way. Now we're done, we don't have to do nothing. So I have a linked already my bank account and everything to my other Google AdSense account. So now every month when I will be finished my requirements, like say I have a minimum $500, anytime I make a $500, they already automatically will transfer to my bank account. So that's all for today. That's the way you can link, or you can apply for monetization, and you can link your account to the Google AdSense. Meet you in the next video with a new topic. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.